This isn't just any abandoned warehouse. This place is filled with something you would never guess if you didn't see the video. This abandoned warehouse has Nascars, classic cars, and thousands of containers of energy drinks from a failed energy drink brand. It's hard to find history on this place, but what I will say is they were sponsored on the Nascars and the whole brand just failed, so I'm guessing they just abandoned it here. I looked up the brand name and couldn't find it anywhere. Okay, so the road we're turning on right now might look pretty familiar to y'all if you look up there. That's because it is the abandoned neighborhood I filmed a few months ago. But now we have another spot right down the road from it that we're gonna go check out. And it is pretty cool. We're pulling up to it right now. It has a few NASCARs, a classic vehicle, and it has a bunch of Red Bulls left, like a bunch. So we're gonna go check it out. A lot of people have been going. I hope it's not hot now. There's a good chance it is, so y'all have to stay tuned and watch, but we're gonna go check it out. Hopefully everything goes okay. I'm a little bit nervous. I'm soloing this one. I'm kind of rusty on soloing, so we're gonna find out, guys. We're coming up to it in just a few minutes. So also, I apologize if my voice cracks or if I sound nasally. I am just now getting over being sick. I can't tell if it's gonna sound bad on camera. I don't know, but yeah, I'm doing this for y'all. It's super hot today too, hotter than usual, so we're coming up on it in just a few minutes. All right, so after waiting on a million cars to go by, we're pulling up onto it right now, so check this out. There's a house over here on the left. I don't want them to think we're up to anything, because we're not. But how are they supposed to know that, you know? But here's the factory right here. Check that out. All right, we're walking up. Not a big fan of the houses being right there. But check this factory out. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, it reeks of pee, and that makes me scared that something else might be here. Because it's not too far from town, so I was thinking about maybe some squatters being in here maybe. But we'll find out. Here it is. This place is so unassuming when you walk up to it. That's the crazy part. Look at this. I really hope this cool stuff is still in here. That's a good sign. Oh, it's like a time capsule. I mean, obviously, but fully. Oh, dude. Yeah, that's a good sign. I don't even know what those drinks are. Let's grab one out. Let's go to the light, y'all. I don't want to use the light too much in here. Response. What kind of labeling is this? I kind of want to try it, but like, I also don't. Because I'm scared it's just gonna like be insane. All right. If you guys hear that, it's 4th of July. This is kind of why I wanted to go during this time. How do I get in here? It's like a maze trying to walk through here. And I want to keep it recording in case there's somebody in here. That would be terrifying. Oh, I think we found the main one. Oh, dude. No way. Whoa. It's full to the brim with stuff. What? And these aren't Red Bulls. I thought it was full with Red Bulls. Are you serious? Oh, look at all the raccoon tracks through here. I literally rolled out of bed half sick in my bed shoes just to come film this, and you can see a sneak peek of what's over there. It doesn't have a motor. That's a good shell, actually. Look, is this some kind of failed brand? I want to try it, kinda. Is that a really bad idea, y'all? You can see vandals already getting to it, unfortunately. Look how cool this is, though. Let's see what we got in here. The factory isn't that big, but what's in it is really, really good. Good old Ford. There's so many energy drinks all just left, and it stinks in here. Guys, I think we will try. I'm not gonna try all of them. It's hot and it's carbonated drinks. It just tastes terrible, but we gotta try one, right? Like, how many people can say they've tried one of these? If I wasn't so sketched out, I'd try all of them. Oh, I see another NASCAR. Hold on, we gotta go check this out, guys. Look at this. Bro. This is a NASCAR town. A lot of people are gonna know where this is. Please don't put the town name. I don't want it to get destroyed more, but I know people will. Wow, look at this. Ignition starter, accessory fan. Dalton Hopkins, if you see this, hit me up. Look at the back. And then you got some more over there, as you can see. And then you got this Blazer. Let's look at that. Doing some work on this one. I'll try to squeeze through here. Look at this. Wait. Response in... No way. It was for these energy drinks. I don't know why I thought this was Red Bull, but... Look at the fuel line. You got the sail back there. God, every single one of these cars needs a 5.3 in it with a turbo. Look at this. These shells could be something. It's crazy that they're just in here. I don't know how popular this video will be, because usually houses do good for me. But, I don't know. Maybe somebody can save these. So they had a whole branding thing going, and I guess it failed. I don't really know the story of it yet. I feel like I heard some things about it, but I just don't know for sure. These slicks have seen better days. So cool. Oh, it's got the logo right there and everything. How cool is this? And now it's just sitting here rotten. Lord, I pray as I race today, keep me safe along the way. Not only me, but others too, as they perform the jobs that they do. Y'all can read that, the rest of that if you need to. How cool is this? I'm like amazed. Okay, so I already did my outro and I was leaving. I was literally just getting a TikTok of the top of this car, but I just realized something. It says, "We back all first responders," and I didn't realize that earlier. So Response energy drink, I think, well, obviously it's for first responders, and you got the American flag. So that sucks that this drink failed. I'm assuming it failed. Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's active, but I'm assuming it failed with all the abandonment and stuff. But that's a crazy little thing I didn't notice. So this is after the outro, guys. But, you know, there's aquarium filter. We will check out this Blazer, though, see if there's anything interesting going on. Still jacked up. Oh, my gosh. Other side of this car. See all the suspension components. I know non-car people are watching this like, oh, we don't care. But all the car people are like, yeah, let me see the setup on it. Look at that. The on-off switch. How cool is this? And then here's the inside of the Blazer. Interior was decent on it. But, you know, stuff happens. Looks like a lot of people already pulled some drinks out. I mean, look how many there is. I'm trying to figure out what the main one is, so we can try, you know, the legit one. Look how creepy this is. But I'm thinking the main one was these because the logo. Well, no, there's a few of them, though. And then there's a blue one back here. I'm trying to get through this just disgusting mess and show y'all. Oh, my gosh, it's so slippery. I think this is all rotten energy drinks. Please, I don't want to feel wetness in my shoe. Oh, this is a bad idea. I think I feel a little bit of wetness, too. Yeah, this is mold. That's why it smells so bad. But look at this. Just completely covered. All right, we'll try something away from this for sure. Oh, it did get in my shoe a little bit. That's gonna be fun to wash out. There's even more. Look at this. But these are unlabeled, so I'm guessing these are flavors that didn't really get to come out fully yet. All right, let's set up this camera. And let's do what I have not been wanting to do. Let's get one right out of the spider web. Yeah. Always. Ooh. Alright. I don't even know how I'm gonna try this. Sorry if that's blinding. Okay. It actually smells good, but it just got in my eye. Obviously, I'm going to spit that out, but that's the original flavor for sure. Said original on it. I'm going to spit that out, but because I don't know. Oh, gosh, hold on. I don't know how bad that could be, but I'm going to be honest, y'all. It's pretty good. It doesn't taste like soiled at all. At all. Am I insane for this? I know I'm an idiot, but like, does this count as insane? I don't know. Should we try a mystery flavor? I feel like we should. Hold on. Let's just... The cops are going to pull up and they're going to be like, why are you in here drinking these abandoned drinks? And I'm going to be like, listen, bro. I do this thing called YouTube and it makes you do just stupid stuff. Check this out. This one feels a little bit weaker. Hopefully it's good, but this will be the last one we try. I'm not going to sit in here. Hold on. I can't tell. I'll be honest with you, it didn't really taste much different. Maybe a little bit less. I don't know. It's like slightly not as strong, but very good drink. If it was cold, it would be good. All right, this is where they get me at. Just heard something. I don't know if it was water landing or my own footstep. I have a pleasant taste in my mouth, though. I'm not gonna lie. And that's where they burn the bodies. A little bit of art over there. Some of this was time capsule. Let's go see if we can find anything else. I know there's like a side over here that I didn't check. So we'll go check this out now. Over here to the right, just some machinery. Somebody let me know what this is. Somebody let me know what this factory was actually for. I'm sure I'm gonna figure it out when I look it up. Oh look, this is where they take your organs at. That's nice. I don't think this factory was for the car, so I think it's just storage. Somebody let me know what it was for before, or maybe it is built for that, but I very seriously doubt it. But just a crazy factory. Did y'all even see the full view from this side yet? Look at that. How cool is this? All right, let's go to the right and see what we got in here. Oh, it's empty, but it's creepy. It's just like a big, what is this? Thought I heard footsteps, but it's mine echoing. It's been a long time since I've done something industrial. Yeah, this is pretty creepy. All right, we're gonna get out of here before I just disappear. I think that's it for the factory anyway. So anyway, I really hope y'all enjoyed this video. Let me know what you thought. I had to come check this out. This was such a cool little spot. Like, I'm sketched out because I'm by myself. I hate doing stuff by myself, but I really enjoyed this spot. So anyway, let me know what y'all thought. Let me know what your favorite part was. Obviously, it's gonna be the drinks for one of the cars, but you know, it's pretty cool. So anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. See you in the next.